All right, it's time to do the room review for Intercontinental Pattaya. Got a nice little entry area with some refreshment center. Got some nice dishes. I think I'll have a cup of coffee here in a minute. It is late afternoon. Usually I do these in the day, but this was kind of nice lighting. You have something right here. I really haven't seen a big, huge area. I'm just here for a night, so I don't feel like unpacking everything. If I'm here too, I will unpack everything. My little backpack system. When things aren't tight on the plane, I can use this system, and I'm set with these three little bags: day pack, and then equipment and clothing. We have a little mini bar area here. I keep this stocked. I'm sure it's expensive even in Thailand, but it's nice that there's something here, so I don't have to shop for anything if I just want to grab something. Nice big TV. It's supposed to be a smart TV, but I can't get it to do anything smart. It just seems to just have normal features for me. It won't connect to anything, and I don't see any YouTube channels or smart channels. Let's go out on the balcony. All right, I did get upgraded into a ocean view room, ocean view king suite. This is kind of nice because we have a nice view over the property, and it looks like it's starting to rain, so I missed that. Had a nice day today out at the pool and at Club Intercontinental. This is a really, really nice room. Nice huge king size bed, nice desk. I like the lighting in here, soft. Very, very pleasant. No beaming white lights coming out. Closets are really nice. They actually have drawers, nightstands with drawers. Very nice. Let's take a look inside the closets here. A safe that works. Lots of storage room, drawers, which I don't happen to need this time. Also have a closet with a number of hangers. I do hang up a few things. And I actually get these little slippers, so I will actually take those home. I got some room in my luggage this time, and I'll be going home. I'm not staying out this time traveling as long. Here we come into the bathroom. Maybe I'll even use this tub tonight just because it looks nice. Very nice here. Very nice little, and drawers. I can put my shaving kits. This one's got all the vanity stuff. Extra water, body lotion, hand wash, Brazilian bidet. Always commenting on that. Very nice shower. Lots of space, good water pressure, nice and warm. Let's close this up. And that's about it on the room tour here. Very comfortable here. Solo on this trip, so it's just me, and it's a real chill night. Good to do this in the middle of a trip. 4 nights at Holiday Inn Express, 4 nights, 1 night at Intercontinental, and I'm gonna do 4 nights at Holiday Inn, and that'll finish up my trip in Pattaya or Pattaya or Pattaya. Well, no matter how I pronounce it, whoever corrects me with their version of what is supposedly correct. So those are the 3 versions. So if somebody wants to correct me, pick one of those. All right, that's it.